All right, well, guys, I got a new cat friend here. Yeah. Boy, you must be hungry, huh? That's a Dodge Charger. Once was a stray, and now he's my buddy. Yeah. I call him Bob. How you doing today, Bob? How's it going, Bob? Doing all right, Bob? You want to say something? You want to say something, Bob? He's shy. Boy, he doesn't let me go to work, does he? You want to say something? Hey, Bob. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Man, when you feed a stray cat, this is what happens. Yep. Where's your buddies at? you you don't know where your buddies at? Oh man. He's all over the place today, y'all. Yeah, yeah, there you go. This is a cold cat here. I thought you were gonna meow again, but you don't want to meow no more. Come on, you can do it. Meow. Look at him. That's my little buddy, y'all. Oh man. Yep. Got a new cat friend, y'all. Yeah. Yep. Well, Bob, what you gonna do today, Bob? You gonna wait till I come back? Yeah, man. Boy, your nails are sharp, I tell you. Them claws on me. You don't sharpen your claws on me, huh? Yeah, man. Yeah. You've been going out clubbing tonight, huh? Yeah. Yep. All right, Bob. Guess I'll see you later on, unless you're gonna let me go, huh? Nope, I guess not. All right, y'all. Take care.